Right, in these questions we're going to look at some inequalities and draw them on the number line. So the first one we're going to look at is x is greater than 1. So let's put it on this line here. So we have x is 1 here, isn't it? So let's put it 1 in here. Now we indicate our number line by drawing a circle at the point that is our boundary value. Now we're told that this is strictly greater than 1, so we're not going to include 1, so we'll leave that circle unfilled, and we then draw an arrow indicating that we're taking all the values greater than 1. Now the next one, we're going to take the values greater than or equal to 4, so draw our circle at 4. But this time we fill it in because we want to include 4. Okay, the symbol here is greater than or equal to 4, and then draw a line indicating what all the numbers greater than or equal to 4. Next question. We're going to look at the numbers between -2, i.e. x is greater than -2, or -2 is less than x, and x is less than or equal to 4. So at -2 we draw an empty circle because we don't equal it, so therefore we don't want to include it. And at 4 we do equal it, and we do want to include it. So, and then we know that we want to be between these two values. We want to be less than or equal to 4 and greater than -2. This is where the x wants to go, between these two. Now in this one we've got -3 is less than x is less than or equal to union with 3 is less than x. So let's draw that in. Let's put the -3 in. So -3 is about here. So indicate where -3 is. And we want to be strictly bigger than -3. The x is bigger than the -3. The -3 is less than the x. And we want to be less than or equal to 2, so we fill that in. And then we draw the line connecting those two. Remember, that says less than or equal to, that's greater than, our x's want to be between here and here. So therefore, empty circle, and we have a filled circle here. Now, x has got to be greater than 3. So here's 3. And we're going to just draw that in. You get a red pen again. And we want to be strictly greater than that, so we draw a circle here. And we want to be greater than that, so keep going. There's no restriction how big we can go, so we draw the arrow off to the side. Now last question. We need to do a bit of working first before we can draw this on the number line. So let's just take this to one side. So let's put 4x over here. Plus 2 is less than 3. Subtract 2 from both sides. You get 4x is less than 1. Divide by 4, your x is less than a quarter. So we need to put a quarter on the number line. So we've got a quarter round about here somewhere. There's a quarter. And now we can draw our equation, or represent our solution to our inequality on the number line. We want to be less than that quarter, draw the empty circle, not filled in, and draw the number line to the left, because if we look at here, the x is less than the quarter.